MstrVtrs, it's me boy back with another video, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you get notified for every new upcoming videos that brings nothing more than just us. And for today's vlog is another unboxing of your King MstrVtr here today, and I want this to go fast. So for today's video, I'll be unboxing my motorcycle washer. So for today's vlog, it is here already. So, matagal na tong na-stock sa Ojongan. And because of pandemic, kasi nagkaroon sila ng case, that's why medyo natagalan. Ngayon lang siya dumating. So, ayan. At speaking of case, since my case nga, so let's sanitize it first. Right after we sanitize it, we're gonna be getting it from the box, or what we call the unboxing. So, let's start. Let me just ruin the plastic first. Ayan. So, ayan guys. Let me ruin first the jelly case. Ang daming extra. So, ayun. Pakisara naman yung pinto, guys. Nakita ang kalat dito sa loob. So, ayan guys. Tinanggal ko na siya. So, iangat ko na lang siya para makita nyo. So, malaki siya. Medyo bulky siya. So, ayun. Naka-bubble wrap din siya. Although, nasira na. Sa pag-deliver na lang yan. Nakita ko na din to kanina. That's why, okay lang kahit nasira na yung kanyang. So, ayun guys. Ito siya. Malaki siya. So, haharap ko na lang yung camera sa baba. Transfer. Ibababa ko na siya. Yan. So, ayun. Ito na siya.
So, inabahan ko talaga na mag-sale sila para medyo mura. So, this video is unboxing and at the same time, pag-aayos nito kung ano magiging itsura nito. So, ayan. Parang yung bubble wrap. Siyempre, alcohol din pag may time, no? Para keep us safe. Pasensya na sa buhok, mabilis yung vlog lang ito eh. So, tinatago kasi yung mga ganito nila. So, ayun. We're gonna be starting to break already, da. Ano siya?
Ito na siya. So, this is it. Pansit. Tampon. So, ayun siya guys. Ayun yung laman niya. And as you can see, wow, ang ganda naman ng hose. So, this is the first part na tinanggal natin. It's the hose. Next is the bigger hose. I don't know kung saan ito nakakonect. Mamaya titignan natin. Then, after that is the actual motor. Aray. Ay, gumalaw siya. So, it's the actual thing. So, this is the manual. Next is we have this one. This one. So, and then here, I don't know if it's complete or not. So, amoy ko talaga siya. Amoy factory, amoy bago. So, ayan. So, yun lang laman ng box. Wala nang laman. So, we're gonna be starting to... Ayan, tinanggal. So, ito siya. Mabigat siya, guys. Around 2 kilos or 2.5 kilos. Ang bigat niya. So, ayun, as you can see, bago siya. So, ito na siya. Malit lang tingnan dyan, pero malaki din siya talaga sa personal. So, ayun. So, we're gonna be getting it. And right after that, we're gonna be testing this one. So, let's read first the... So, it's Chinese. So, ito daw yon nakakonect sa... Iko-connect daw to so, may ganito. So, is it here? Oh, yun. Sige, tama. So, yun. Ayan. After locking it, at the other end is filter. Bakit wala namang filter dito? Ay, ito pala yung filter niya. So, filter on the other end. Ipapasok siya. And then, this one, daw, sabi, i-connect natin siya dito. How? How could it be connected? Or this one? Did I do it right? Ay, oo, dito. Tama ba? Ay, no, parang hindi naman. So, ayun. Mabigat talaga siya. Baka dito to. Saan to? Hindi ko alam. So, ayun, ina-assemble ko lang siya. Ay! Akala ko hindi naka-record. So, ayun guys. Sayang kasi to para pag hindi na ginagamit, mababalik ko natin. So, yun dito na part. Connect natin siya dun sa... So, pareho lang din naman. Dito, connect natin siya dito. And then... Paano to? Hindi naman nagkakasya. How? Okay, wait. So, dapat na siya. How? How can we do this one? Ayun. So, ayan. Connected na siya. And then, ano pa ba yung wala? So, eto na yon. Parang may missing piece naman to. Tapos, parang may kulang nga. Parang ang daming kulang naman na itong item na to. So, next is it here? It must be on the other end. So, dito natin siya i-connect ko dyan. So, right. So, ayun, may ano pa siyang okay, para hindi mabasa. Hindi ba na yung tinatanggal? So, next is this one. Siguro nga, paano to? Baka ganito lang. Ayun, okay. Kaso yung dito niya, hindi ko alam kung tama ba to or kulang pa. Kasi wala siyang kwan. Okay. Okay. Ayun, alam, may liit, lumalaki pala siya. Ayun. Maliit, lumalaki. So, ayun, let's try it to wash our motorcycle. Alright, see you there. Ayun guys, naka-on na siya. Gumagana naman siya. Tapos yan, timba lang. Tapos yan, yung wire, papunta dun sa may motor. Okay, let's start. Ayun, we'll be starting to wash our motorcycle already. Ayun, so, we'll be starting now. Sugo na eh. Akin guys, medyo malakas. Sobrang lakas ng pressure niya. O, magkita nga kung magkasugat sa kamay. So, that ends our video for today. Thank you so much for watching. This has been your MstrVtrs saying peace out and God bless you all. Bye!